Hello guys, welcome back to Trading for Beginners, and in this video I'm going to talk about how can you change your currency on Bitget Wallet. So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. Now, in order to change your currency, you just simply have to open your Bitget Wallet application. And after opening the application, you will get to see this four circled icon into the top left corner. Tap into that, and after tapping into that icon, it will give you this option of currency directly. Now, in order to change currency, just simply select it, and then from here you can choose so many options. In this section, you can choose between these available currencies in here. Just simply select any of the currency that you would like to select. I'm selecting Euro, and after tapping into that, it will automatically change your currency into Bitget Wallet. I hope this video was informative for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching this video.